Hello everyone, myself Prashant Tyagi from team LEXIS and Company. I hope you all guys are safe and healthy. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about the elder abuse, the topic elder abuse. In this video, I am going to discuss the meaning and the types of elder abuse, why we need laws against elder abuse, and Indian provisions regarding elder abuse. So let's start our video. Life is a very beautiful gift given by God, and aging is one of the most important elements of the life of an individual. Various types of stages has come in our life like infancy, childhood, puberty, adulthood, middle age and the old age. In the earlier stages of our life, as we are busy in exploring the beautiful colors of youth, learning new things, and are more inclined towards self development. Then we enter the stage of adulthood where we start to plan our lives, whether it be our jobs, marriage, children's needs of our family, and so on the list of endless. Then comes the most relaxing and peaceful stage of our life, which is old age. It is the stage of our life where we can sit back peacefully and have a look on our life journey, our accomplishments, our ups and downs, and feel contented. As we slowly and gradually enter into old age, we tend to experience some changes and may some disabilities which are totally normal in this age. People in this age are needed to be supported in every possible way, whether it be emotionally, financially, physically, or mentally. But the sad part of the reality is that some people in India, in today's times, world fail to understand such basic fundamentals of the humanity. The instances of ignorance of elderly people and their needs by their children are increasing day by day, and it doesn't stop here. Is in many cases it also result in elder abuse. What is the meaning of elder abuse and its types? According to the World Health Organization, elder abuse, also called elder mistreatment, senior abuse, abuse in later life, abuse of older adults, abuse of older women, abuse of older men, in a single or repeated act, or lack of appropriate action occurring within any relationship where there is an expectation of trust which causes harm or distress to an older person. It is not always necessary that abuse is done by the children only. It can be done by anybody like the spouse, family member, or any other person which is an elderly person is dependent. But the major problem that needs to be dealt with is the abuse by the children. The term abuse appears to be very simple but is literally very complex term and has a very broad meaning. It has various types like physical abuse, emotional abuse, sexual abuse, financial abuse, negligence. Why we need laws against elder abuse? What is the need of laws against elder abuse? Talking about the facts, the global share of an older people of above age 60 has increased from 9.2% in 1990 to 11.7% in 2013, and it can be estimated that till 2050 it will be increased up to approx 21%. So in simple words, we can say that the older age population is stand to increase in upcoming years. With each day passing, India is becoming old with 8.3% of its population aged about 60 years or above. So with the change in the pattern of population, there is need to bring a change in the way we address the problems of elderly, whether it would be physically, emotionally, financially, mentally. There is a kind of realization amongst the elders that they are more of burden to their children. Elders who are living with their families sometimes feel marginally insecure because they are unable to cope with changes due to the generation gap. Also, with growing age, for day by day, that their dependency on the others many times become the reason for their decaying confidence. A study has made some observations that in India, more than one-fifth of the elders have experienced elder abuse, and around 7 out of 20 have been its victim on a daily basis. It, it is quite horrible. The daughter-in-law and son are the major culprit behind the abuse. The most common types of abuse faced by elders are negligence, disrespect, verbal abuse, ignorance, name calling, and physical abuse like beating or slapping. Many pictures, videos become viral where people could be seen beating and abusing their parents-in-laws. Also, a survey was conducted among the old age people where it was found that around more than 1000 calls were made to old age helpline numbers asking for urgent help. It was found that some people used to beat their parents because they are not able to cope with the changes or the inconvenience they are facing due to continuous lockdowns, pandemic, so they become infuriated, and in order to soothe the anger, they used to beat them. It is one of the most unaccommodated reason ever given by someone to beat their parents. Like what are their your parents are punching bag with your smack anytime you want. Now we discuss Indian provisions regarding elder abuse. What are the Indian provisions are present regarding elder abuse? The question arises that what we are doing to handle this problem, and do we have any provisions regarding in the country? Some of the acts and bills that have been introduced in this regard are Maintenance of Parents Act 2007. This law was amended twice, first in 2013 and then in 2018. The original act directed that sons have a legal obligation towards take care of parents. After amendment in 2013, the parents could complain against them and the son could have been legally for not supporting their parents. In the amendment of 2018, daughters and son-in-laws were also held responsible for supporting their parents. Parents and Senior Citizens Act 2007 is a bill that makes it a legal obligation for children and legal guardians to provide maintenance to older adults. It permits state governments to start and maintain old age homes in each district. Senior citizens can apply for a monthly allowance from their children in case they are not able to support themselves. Whereas it is important to discuss of the new bill that has been introduced in 2019, amending the provisions of above mentioned bill. The new bill, that is Parents and Senior Citizen Amendment Bill 2019, which aims to provide for the maintenance and the welfare of parents and senior citizens for ensuring their basic needs, safety, security, establishment, management and regulation of institution of services. While different religions have various provisions to protect the interests of senior citizens, some are very particular, such as statutory provisions for maintenance of parents under Hindu personal law contained in Section 20 of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act. Similarly, Muslim law, Christian law, and even Parsi law also have these kind of provisions. Article 41 of the Constitution secures of the right of senior citizens to employment, education, and public assistance. It also ensures that a state must uphold these rights in case of disability, old age, or sickness. Meanwhile, Article 46 asserts that the educational and the economical rights of the elderly must be protected by the state. This above discussed scenario and discussed theory of elder abuse, meaning, provisions are the basic and the necessaries of the senior citizens. The above discussed conclusion is some of the changes are necessarily needed in the society, which include increasing the awareness among elderly people regarding their rights and what relief they can get under different laws. I hope you understand the elder abuse meaning, rights, provisions, etc. Thank you so much. Have safe, stay tuned. Have a nice day.